Hello, Wealth Warriors. New or returning, I'm glad you're here. Today, we're going to dive deeper into the ultimate 8-step blueprint to financial freedom. This journey is for everyone, whether you're starting your financial journey or refining your path. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and share this valuable information with your loved ones. Let's get started. 1. Establish a robust budget. Think of a budget as your financial GPS, guiding you to your wealth destination. Let's break down a $4,000 monthly income. We'll assign $1,200 for rent, $400 for utilities and bills, $300 for groceries, and $200 for transportation. But what about the remaining $1,900? Instead of leaving it to whims and impulses, assign purpose to each dollar. Perhaps $800 goes into savings, $500 for leisure, and $600 for future investments. This process gives you control over your money instead of it controlling you. 2. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is your financial armor, protecting you from life's surprises. Life has a way of throwing curveballs, a sudden car breakdown, an unforeseen medical expense, or even a job loss. Start by setting a small goal, like saving $1,000. Then gradually increase it until you've got 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses set aside. This fund acts as a buffer between you and life's unexpected expenses. 3. Pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt is a relentless wealth drainer. Let's stop it. Imagine you've racked up $15,000 in credit card debt at an interest rate of 20%. If you make minimum payments, it might take you decades to clear it off, and you'll end up paying far more in interest than the original amount. Prioritize clearing high-interest debts. Redirect any extra cash towards these debts, and see your financial health improve. 4. Start investing. Ready to switch from earning to growing money. Let's discuss investing. Think about this. If you invest $300 a month in a diversified index fund with a 7% annual return, in 30 years, you'll have more than $300,000. Your money's been busy while you sleep. The key here is regular, disciplined investing. And the earlier you start, the more you'll benefit from the magic of compound interest. 5. Diversify your income. Now, let's build an income fortress by diversifying your income streams. Relying on a single income source is risky. What if you're a graphic designer? You could create online design courses, freelance on platforms like Upwork, or sell digital products on Etsy. 6. Invest in education. Education is the best investment for future returns. Let's say you're interested in the real estate market. You could invest time in courses, books, and webinars about real estate investing. The knowledge and skills you gain will not only make you a better investor, but also shield you from potentially costly mistakes. 7. Plan for retirement. Retirement may seem far off, but the best time to plan for it is now. Make the most of employer-sponsored retirement plans. If your employer matches 50% of your 401k contributions up to 6% of your salary, that's an instant 50% return on your investment. Make sure to contribute at least enough to get the full match. 8. Review and adjust life changes. And so should your financial plan. Your financial plan is a living document. Let's say you've just gotten married, or you've welcomed a new child into your family. These milestones should prompt a review and adjustment of your financial plan, from your budget and insurance to your long-term financial goals. And that wraps up our in-depth 8-step blueprint to financial freedom. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your financial dreams. I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love reading your comments and hearing about your financial journey, so don't hesitate to drop us a line below. Until next time, Wealth Warriors.